Hey, EDLS 732, the Thomasville cohort. Dr. Palermo here with a week 8 message for you. It's time to prep for our weekend 2 together. We will meet in Thomasville this Saturday morning at 9 o'clock and back again on Sunday. To prepare for class, please bring your laptops, books, and a hard copy, at least one hard copy, please, of your CIIP Part B in progress for a peer review. I hope that it'll be warm and toasty for us in the media center, but layers of clothing, heaters, fans, and your favorite snacks to make it a comfortable weekend together would be a good idea. New reading, Glickman chapters, back to chapters 19 and 20, talk about curriculum development and action research, interestingly. What you are doing with your CIIP is in part action research, maybe not so much. Okay, curriculum development. Ainsworth is your curriculum expert, but Glickman here is giving us a platform to discuss many of the items that we will be talking about this weekend. So we're going to talk, I hope, with our discussion about curriculum, the resources that are available to you from the state and your district, that we can get you prepped for Part C of the CIIP, the curriculum audit. We'll spend a lot of time talking this weekend about what it is that you should look for, not necessarily know how to do yourself, but what you should look for in the terms of curriculum development. We do have a state mandated curriculum in the state of North Carolina. We're all North and South working on some form of the Common Core. And then how does that get down to the teacher level? So we'll be talking about that. What else this weekend? Teams and teaming and difficult people. Curriculum, what to look for in the audit, and what kinds of resources are out there for you, and the evidences and style. Several of you need a little bit of a tutorial in charts and figures and for APA 7th edition style. We're going to catch up on some of that stuff. We will create an outline for CIIP Part C and D if we've not done that already. And again, I would like to do a peer review of your work in progress on Part B. After we meet face-to-face, Gardner-Webb takes their spring break. So next week, you will have a week off in terms of new assignments and readings to do. And that might be an opportunity for you to bang out that CIIP Part B and be ready to submit it to me for formative assessment after spring break. But it's coming up due soon, and we will look at those this weekend, as well as forward-looking evidences for Parts C and D. There is one discussion board this week that I'm going to hold off on and ask you not to post on just yet. We will be talking about Wiggins and McTighe and curriculum by design, understanding by design, which is several pages in Glickman chapter 19. How does your district use understanding by design, UBD? Some folks use a different backward design method that's very similar. Understanding by design is Wiggins and McTighe. And if your district is doing it, comment on that. If they're not doing it, what could they perhaps do better? So reflect on that a little bit before you come to class. And if you'll bring your books and your laptops and your evidence work so far, you're ready for the weekend. I look forward to seeing you there in Thomasville. I look forward to working with you and helping you along with your evidence work. See you this weekend. Write to me if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.